Ms. Denise Poir.
Sir, HDB visits occupied rental flats annually to proactively identify those that require repairs or maintenance. However, when COVID-19 safe management measures, SMMs, were imposed, HDB had to suspend this practice, and physical inspections were conducted in response to tenants' feedback. As the SMMs were progressively lifted, HDB has been working to resume periodic inspections and is reviewing the approach to prioritize inspections based on the age of the flat and the profile of tenants. We will share more details on the revised approach when ready. Tenants can continue to alert HDB to repair or maintenance issues. HDB will attend to these requests promptly, and the cost of repairs is almost always borne fully by HDB. Besides regular maintenance, rental flats undergo upgrading similar to sold flats as part of programs such as the Lift Upgrading Program and the Home Improvement Program. In addition, there have been specific enhancements programs for rental flats, such as the lift improvement and facilities enhancement for the elderly called Project Life. Thank you, sir.
Ms. Denise Poir.
Thank you, MOS. I first want to acknowledge the wonderful support that's given to my division and our GRC as well from the HDB branch office and the HQ rental division. I think they're really conscientious people. At my house visits, though, even before COVID, I noticed that the preventive maintenance for issues such as spoiling concrete, peeling paints on the door gates and stuff, I don't think that the preventive maintenance happens annually or regularly. So there could be a difference in perception, leading to always, I think, a lot of reactive kind of complaints for us at MPS by our residents. So I wonder what the cause of this is, if indeed the constraint is resource, or maybe such duties need to be outsourced, then could the resources be granted to the people on the ground?
MOS Faishal.
Thank you. So I assure the member that we do the proactive annual inspection, and in fact, wherever we can, we will help as much as possible. Nevertheless, those areas that, for example, what the member shared about the gate, and also relating to maintenance and repairs of internal walls, fittings, fixtures, including doors and gates. These are where tenants are responsible for, right? And I think what we do for exceptional cases, for example, for elderly tenants, we will work with community organizations, just like the grassroots organization in the members area, to see how we can partner, work together with them to see how we can help these tenants.